How to fix Shein not accepting my card. Experiencing payment issues on Shein. Here's a quick guide to resolve them. Sometimes, after entering your card details, you might encounter a message stating the payment couldn't be processed or has been rejected. Here's why it might happen and what you can do to fix it. Incorrect data entry. Ensure you've entered all card details accurately. Any discrepancy in the card number, expiration date, or CVV code might hinder the transaction. Double check and re-enter the correct data. Card-related problems. Lack of funds or other issues with your card could be a cause. Verify your card status through your bank to rule out any problems. Temporary issues. High order volumes can sometimes overload payment systems. If faced with this, wait a bit before retrying the transaction. Security measures. Shein might block payments if it detects mismatched data. Reordering might prompt a refund process, taking 7 to 14 days depending on your bank. If prompted, Shein might request ID and card photos for verification. If you're hesitant, here are some alternatives. Use PayPal. It's a secure payment platform accepted on Shein. Register, add your card details, and complete your purchase hassle-free. Restart the purchase, empty your cart, re-add items, and manage your order again to fix any platform errors. Check with your bank. Multiple failed attempts might lead to your bank blocking the card. Contact their customer service to resolve this. Remember, Shein's customer service is efficient. If issues persist, reach out to them through their chat or messages for personalized support. That's a wrap on fixing payment issues on Shein. Hopefully, these steps help you get back to shopping smoothly. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.